Come test drive this 2007 Nissan Maxima. This four-door sedan still has less than 90,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 250 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Nissan infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front and rear reading lights, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, and a split-folding rear seat. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Curtain airbags combined with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.